You are a commerce graduate or an MBA. Maybe a working accountant. You must have heard SAP everywhere. But you don't have any idea from where to start. From which institute? By the end of this video, every questions will be answered. What is SAP and why does it matter in 2026? SAP stands for System, Applications and Products in Data Processing. Think of it as the brain of a large company. It manages finance, supply chain, HR, manufacturing, everything in one integrated system. India's ERP market is currently $10 billion and it's growing at 11% CAGR. Right now, there are 1.5 lakh plus open SAP jobs on Naukri and LinkedIn in India. And here is the gap. Only 20% of the workforce is SAP certified. What about rest 80%? That's your opportunity. Companies are hiring, salaries are high, but companies fail to find skilled people. This is exactly the right time to get SAP certified. Top SAP modules: SAP FICO, SAP MM, SAP PP, SPST. If you have BCom, MCom or MBA finance background, SAP FICO is your entry point. It directly maps to financial accounting work. Most of the commerce graduates understand that. No coding, no engineering, just business logic applied to enterprise software. Freshers who completes SAP FICO training and certification start at 4.5 to 6.5 lakh per annum. Mid-level consultant with minimum 3 to 5 years of experience can earn 8 to 15 lakhs per annum. Salary growth in SAP FICO. Most freshers double their starting salary within 2 to 3 years. Annual increment of 30 to 50% are common in first 3 years. How to choose the right SAP training institute? This is where most beginners make mistakes. They choose cheapest option and end up with certificate that nobody respects and no placement support. Here is your checklist for choosing the right SAP training institute. Life system access. You must practice on a real SAP environment, not just watch slides. Trainers with active industry project experience, not just retired professionals. S/4HANA coverage. The older SAP GUI is being replaced. Ensure your course covers the latest. Module-specific curricula. FICO, MM, SD, PP should have dedicated deep content. Placement assistance with a verifiable track record. Ask for alumni references. Certification exam preparation support. SAP's official exams are not easy. You need guided prep. One red flag that you need to immediately walk away. Any institute that promises SAP training in 15 days. Generally, SAP training takes 3 to 6 months with project exposure. Curricula. What a good course covers. Core SAP FICO curricula. Module 1. SAP Basics. Navigation, Enterprise Structure, Company Codes. Module 2. Financial Accounting. General Ledger, Accounts Payable, Accounts Receivable. Module 3. Asset Accounting, Asset Lifecycle, Depreciation Runs. Module 4. Controlling. Cost Center Accounting, Profit Center Accounting. Module 5. Integration with MM and SD modules. Module 6. Reporting. SAP Standard Reports and Basic SAP Analytics. Module 7. Certification, Exam Preparation. Practice tests, mock interviews. A good course also ends up with a live project where you configure a complete company setup in SAP from scratch, just like a real implementation. That project is what makes your resume stand out. At IC Edu Skills, we have been training finance and accounting professionals for over 27 years. Our SAP training gives you live system access, NSTC-backed certification, industry experienced trainers, and placement support through our 70,000 plus employees. Book a demo class today. Come and experience the training before you decide. If you find this video helpful, then please like it, subscribe it, and share it with anyone who is looking for SP training. Your career upgrade starts with one right decision. Make it today.